Here's how to change a flat rear tire on one of these Gio Electric Scooter bicycle things. It has a slow leak. I don't know if you can see, I've already gone and taken off the tire and gotten the old tube out. I'm just going to show you real quick. The easiest way to get this wheel off, you have to deal with these wires here. And on this side, you have to deal with this drum brake assembly. What I recommend you do very first is loosen off the chain tensioners almost to the end, so they're nice and loose. Same thing on this side, loosen it off. Then undo this outer nut almost to the end, then undo the inner nut almost off the threads. Just don't go right off, you don't need to. And the same on this side, undo this big nut basically to the end of its threads. Now down under here you've got this brake anchor bolt, and it basically sits up inside of one of these slots. You just undo the bolt, undo the brake arm drum assembly, and drop that down. Now you can move this forward just enough so that you can pop this chain off right in between like that. Now you can pull this thing back, and it'll little compressing, it'll drop out. Then take the chain and run it off past the wire like that. Take this whole wheel, pull the drum brake assembly off. 1, 2, 3 pieces. Make sure you lay them out in order so you know how they go back together. Take that off. It'd be a good time as well to blow this out, clean it, get rid of that brake dust. Now you take this whole wheel and you flip it out on the outside like that, and you use your trusty spoons. 3 of them work well for this application. Pop the tire off, find your whatever is in the tire, probably a thorn or a staple or something, and then get yourself a new tube and basically reassemble in the reverse order.